Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here. So today we're going to continue nut butter series, and the butter we're going to make today is cashew butter. I think it's my favorite, guys. I really could eat it just by the spoon from the jar. So let's begin. So all we're gonna need for this recipe is just some roasted cashew nuts. So I've got it was 3 cups, but now I think with us snacking on it as we go, it's turned into 2.5. So about 2.5 cups of roasted cashew nuts. So to roast them, you probably want to put them on about 190 in the oven for about 15 to maybe 18 minutes, and obviously watch that they don't burn, but just slight golden color and the smell, you'll be able to tell that they're roasted. So I've cooled them down. I'm not too sure, actually. I might need to experiment to see whether it's easier to make into butter once they are still warm, or whether it's better to let them cool down, but today I've got them cooled down. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place this in a food processor, and I'm gonna process it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Just look at this goodness. Wow, guys, that's it. That's proper, soft, amazing cashew butter. Oh, I have to do a taste test. So guys, guess who I've got here?
The taste tester.
Yeah, I'm sure he'll be happy to taste test this. I know I am happy.
I'm always ready to help.
Yeah, so dig in. Try this amazing cashew butter.
Ooh, legend.
Sorry guys for the visual appearance of the taste tester. He's been playing VR, you see.
I've been checking out Google Earth in VR. If you ever get a chance, I would highly recommend it. Anyway.
I can see this taste tester is quite hungry. He wants to test it properly.
I want to be very thorough.
Yeah. Mmm.
Wow.
Yeah. And this stuff sticks to your teeth and mouth, right? Because it's so rich, guys. But all it took was 5 minutes roasted nuts and 5 minutes in the S-Blade food processor, and that's it. You've got a wonderful cashew butter. What do you think?
That's exceptional. It's so nice to know that it is just roasted nuts as well.
Exactly, there's no oil added or anything.
But it's so kind of creamy. It does stick kind of to your mouth, obviously, like nuts, nut butters do, but you've just got that lovely creamy cashew taste.
Yeah, it's got like this caramelly undertone as well because of the roasting. I think it just brings out...
Like almost be a sweetness. Just a little bit of sweetness.
And the taste, I think it tastes caramelly, guys. Let me know if you try this. Can you taste a little bit of caramelly kind of undertone there? So let me know. And yeah, no. And let me know which one is your favorite nut butter. I think this one is definitely my favorite because it's so versatile, right? I mean, cashews are versatile, but I'm gonna be making some like pastry from this. So you can use this, instead of, say, kind of margarine and vegan butter and that kind of thing, in recipes. So I'll be making some lemon tartlets for my baking club. Yeah, but yeah, I just love it, guys. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome, and subscribe for more videos. Hit that bell button, and see you next time. And remember, guys, food is fuel.
My fuel.
Right, see ya.
Bye.